In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up ClickUp to track business processes and manage your SOPs. By the end, you'll have a clean, repeatable system that brings clarity to your workflows and makes progress easy to see. Start by opening ClickUp in your browser or desktop app and logging in. Either option works the same for what we're doing today, so choose the one you prefer. Once you're in, we'll build a simple structure that mirrors how your business operates. Create a new space and name it Business Processes. This gives you a dedicated home for your standard operating procedures and ongoing workflows. When setting it up, make sure lists are enabled. Lists are where each of your processes will live, so turning them on now saves you time later. Inside that space, add a folder called Process Tracking. Think of this folder as the container for all your SOP lists. It keeps related processes in one place and makes it easy for your team to find what they need. Next, create a list for each key process you want to track, like onboarding, client management, finance, marketing, or operations. Lists let you separate different departments or workflows so you're never mixing tasks from unrelated areas. Quick note: if you don't already have ClickUp, I've placed a direct link to the website and the app download at the very top of the description so you can get set up quickly and follow along. Inside each list, add tasks for the individual steps in that process. Keep task names action-oriented and clear, such as send welcome email, collect documents, approve invoice, or schedule campaign. Clear names help teammates understand exactly what needs to happen without digging for details. Now add custom fields to capture the information that matters. Helpful fields include owner to assign responsibility, due date to keep things on schedule, priority to highlight urgency, and status to reflect where each task stands. These fields make reporting and handoffs smoother and reduce guesswork. Configure your process statuses so your team can track progress at a glance. Use statuses like not started, in progress, under review, and completed. This simple flow makes it obvious what's waiting, what's moving, and what's done, and it works well across most business processes. Finally, review and optimize your processes using list or board view. These views make it easy to spot bottlenecks, ensure steps aren't skipped, and maintain consistent execution over time. As your processes evolve, update task names, fields, or statuses to keep everything current and useful. That's it. You now have a clear ClickUp system to track business processes and manage your SOPs efficiently. Thanks for watching.